guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Gook. It's a cocktail, and if you're tuning in for the first time today, welcome to it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that whenever I get to upload a video, you're the first person to know. What's happening in today's video is that I am doing some recommendations. I need another day, another recommendation, and today we are doing family vacation spots. It's from just around Johannesburg and Pretoria. Family vacation spots mainly contain play areas or spots or sections for kids to play at. So that's why most of them are called family vacation spots. And at these family vacation spots, most of them, they don't allow you to stay for one night, a minimum 2 nights stay. And you will see if you go to bookings.com and you try to book one night, they'll say fully booked or something. So just make sure that you do a 2-night stay and check this video out. Let me know where you're going to take your family at. Let me know if you've tried any of the family vacation spots that I've recommended. What was your experience, and are you going to try any of the ones that I've recommended? Yeah, check the slideshow and let me know.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back to real. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for me. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that type, no. I'm a mighty guy. I know just it. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on